Baholi bethu emkhontweni phezulu Fabio fa ikephi generals enizongibona ngalo. Siyakholelwa kunina, siyathembela kunina kakhulu. Isikhathi sesishiyile sizama ukubona ukufezeka le revolution. Sesigeje ikhathi eziningi phela sithi hayi nansi yafika. Isiphunyuka. Kuke kwafika lapha amahemhem baholi. Athi sekunathi kuneyingxaki ezincane eyithinta umholi wethu number 2 Thumbeza. Sabona nama Twitter ekuthiwa beqhamuka kudadewethu sisomdala lapho Duduzile. Emva kwaloko khona lokho waxoshwa lapho engathi bese campaignela indodana ka commander in chief yethu Commander JZ. Kwa indlela ukuthi ke leyo push division menze njalo. Asikwazi ukukhuluma, asikwazi ukukhampanela umuntu ukuthi angene ehlalweni kukhona ohleli kusona. Nane inkulumo ke ezithi it's time for new leaders and we are calling people DPs while kuno deputy president ohleli. That was quite off. Ngingajabula mangaprove ukuthi kwangamanga kaMdayisi. The Twitter that is purported to have come from Sister Duduzile was actually not coming from her, because if it would come from her to start saying it's time for young blood, and while there's a call on the other side to say Duduzane for deputy president, I think that will be very, very, very off. We can't be that clumsy about this revolution. We can't be that careless. We can't be found starting smoke. Ngiyacela Msholozi ngibhekise kuwena nabakuphasile eduze kwakho. Ngicela nonke nibe selfless lokwangampela. Lokwangampela ama personal interest ngampela niwabeke eceleni. Ngoba I suspect this is our last chance as black people to have a reasonable wave of revolution. Msholozi osikhandile yona nge-MK party. The way you have went out and recruited serious people with political credentials and governance experience and good performance record, we are on the right track, Msholozi. We can't afford to lose the progress that we have made, Malala. Inkulumo efana leya Twitter ekuthiwa iqhamuka Duduzile. Zuma Siswam, salute, and apologies to mention you in this light. I hope that Twitter was not coming from you, starting to campaign for a younger deputy president, the way I read it, the way it's written. I hope that Twitter came from people who are trying to create smoke within our ranks. But if it came from you, Nyacela Commander, withdraw from such tendency. The struggle is more important than our ages, than our close connections, social circles. The struggle is more. There are so many black people who are suffering from the hands of the white system. Let's push all other interests back and face one goal: to free the black person from white people. Get our land back. Nationalize the mining sector. Nationalize the Reserve Bank. Transform the constitution to allow us to take certain decisions that we need to take biasly to address the injustices of the past. We can't be found stuck in these small personality politics, narrow personal gain kind of rhetorics. We can't. The struggle is way more important. Asinga confusing njengomholi we-EFF who has completely lost the plot. EFF has become more important to him than the revolution itself. We can't be that disorientated. The revolution of the black oppressed masses should remain sacrosanct. Even if I could make an example, I know that it won't happen. I'm not a person of positions. Even if I am president of MK today and I'm told that I must step down by the collective after thinking so that the revolution could move better forward, I must be able to do so, because the revolution is so important. Even if I could be asked now myself to withdraw MK membership card, if perhaps membership, yeah, because maybe my presence is somehow disturbing the revolution from moving forward, I will gladly do that. And that's what I'm asking. That's why in the previous videos I once said, we're in an era which needs us amadela more than anything else. Amakhomanda angempela azothi angifune isikhundla mina kumkhonto wesizwe, ngifuna ithuba lokukhuluma ipolitiki yomnyama, ngiyiphushe, ngiyigade ukuthi yenze. Angifune kuba khansela, angifune kuba MEC, angifune ngena in structure, but nginikeni umshini ngiye emphakathini ngiyofundisa abantu ngepolitiki yomuntu omnyama nokuthi yini esidinga ukuyenza, imaphi ama-compromises that are standing for us on the way. And because revolution, guys, is all about stomaching compromises. It's not about all well and done things that are everyone's clapping hands. We are not in church, people. Compromises are coming out our way to see the revolution. All the independent states, they will tell you that they once suffered and compromised a lot for their liberation to be achieved. Zimbabweans right now are suffering from serious poverty linked to sanctions, simply because they dad took their land back and they are saying we're not giving it back. It's a compromise they are taking. Fine, you can laugh at them and say they're all over in South Africa, but fact of the matter, the Zimbabweans are sticking on principle to say we ain't going to give our land back to the white person. We need to join them. We need to suffer for a reasonable period for us to be able to gain our independence back. The point that I want to say, my commanders, my seniors, kumkhonto baningi bafethu, khona abo-Brian Molefe lapha ingala bezanga mpela, khona nibaningi bafethu, kukhona omanyi, khona omkhwebane, kukhona babu Mchunu, nibaningi bafethu. Ngiyacela leyo collective bafethu, ngicela ningahlakazeki, ngicela nibe sober around each other, ngicela nibe nazi ukuthi niphethe iqanda ngesandla and nibani nonke nibambisene, ongadedela phathu kwenu lizowe esayidini lakhe. Ngiyacela abaholi bomkhonto, ngiyacela niyimanage lento le ngeke ngayithinta ethinte i-tweet ekuthiwa iqhamuka kuDuduzane. Ngiyabonga uNamxosha lo waseqala ekhampenela tweet come to Duduzile. Ngiyabonga uNamxosha lo waseqala ekhampani uDuduzane. She was sowing divisions. Ngiyacela amasosha omkhonto, ma-commanders ukuthi please handle each other with care. Please, there should be no one who's dividing you. There should be no one who's going to make you to start to work against each other. There should be no one who will succeed to make you stop talking to each other. Don't give each other eye contact. Don't laugh with each other honestly. You should not be passing each other in the corridor, ignoring each other like you don't know each other simply because you've got ideological differences. And when you do that successfully, know that you will not be doing that for yourself. You're doing it for black people who have been waiting for liberation for so many years. I feel strongly that you are our last chance. Don't allow narrow political interests and divisions to kill the struggle. We might not wake up after MK, should it go down. It's difficult right now to mobilize some of the black people who have given up from the so-called liberation movement. People now are hustling the way they could hustle because all the trust they had, they're even starting to tolerate white dominance and white privilege in the workspaces because they feel like this thing is not fixable. If it was fixable, the ANC would have fixed it with the powers that we gave to it. But I can tell you, our leaders, there are people who strongly feel now that there is a hope in MK. It's for that reason I'm begging with all of you seniors in the ANC, with serious credentials, political dexterities and commitment, please do not lose each other. Floyd, don't be lost. Brian, don't be lost. Manyi, don't be lost. Mkhwebane, don't be lost. Babu Mchunu, don't be lost. All of you commanders, unity up there. Unity in purpose, unity in action, unity in direction. Asimphathe kahle uThombeza. Singamrashi uThombeza. asimniki ithuba lokuthi naye kube khona azokwenza to the point that he's satisfied that he has made what he needs to do. Patience to us asibancane singenayo. We will have our chance. Patience. So le ndaba ye-succession ngicela siyiphathe njengezikhali zamantunga singayixhamazeleli. Angabe khona umuntu ozophushwa esihlalweni out simply because there's excitement in bringing in someone. I know you all up there. You didn't join the struggle for a fashion. You joined the struggle because you are true radicals. All of you, we've been following each and every one of you. You all have paid the price of fighting for black skin. And zokuhlukana-ke manje, my leaders. Not now. Find each other. When we have different in views, find each other. If the other comrade is giving you a nasty eye contact, go to the comrade and ask, comrade, is all well? Find each other for the sake of black people. We have suffered a lot. You have compromised a lot for us. Now Msholozi has created a vehicle with you that we hope when I'm dead and when Zuma is dead, you'll still be able to keep intact behind. It's not going to collapse with myself and Zuma when we're dead. Let us cement that foundation to say Umkhonto weSizwe will live beyond the life of Spectrum Mkhize, the life of Jacob Zuma, in anybody else's life. So my plea is one, at the top there. Commanders, please keep your minds, your spirit, your souls together. And don't lose it. Find each other when there's a cloud, when there's darkness. Look for each other, find each other, and stay intact. We can't afford to lose this war now. We cannot.